So let's talk about setting up a MIDI controller. What you will need: a USB cable, a computer, your DAW, and headphones or speakers. So what you need is you need to plug this USB cable on the power point. Make sure it's off. On the other end, you connect it to your computer. As you can see, the next step is just turning it on. When it comes on, you see lights come on. These light up and you know it's basically on. So the next step is going to your options and preferences, then going on MIDI devices and selecting your MIDI controller. So this MIDI controller is a Nectar Impact LX61 Plus. I just have to double click, enable input from this device, enable controls, click OK, enable, and you go here, double click it, enable it, OK, and apply. So the next step is just you adding a virtual instrument. I'll add a stage piano, add, and now you play and it will play. So that's a step-by-step configuration process that you can follow to make sure that your MIDI is working and you can get to creating music.